Hey there, Genetics 311. This is my Exam 5 mini video talking about adapter hypothesis. Before we talk about the adapter hypothesis, we need to just talk about the central dogma very quickly. So here we have a quick diagram of the central dogma where we have DNA to turn to mRNA through transcription, and then from mRNA translation into the amino acid chain or the protein. However, there is some missing links between mRNA and protein in the translation process, and scientists back in the 1950s wondered if amino acids could directly interact with the mRNA codons. This was a common view for a long time until Francis Crick came up with the theory that there is an adapter, a connecting piece to the missing link between mRNA and the protein synthesis. So what could this missing link be? tRNA, of course, and here we have a quick little diagram to represent it. And as you are about to learn, the amino acids will actually go right here, and they will be added on to the amino acid chain via translation. Crick was ultimately correct in his predictions, and tRNA serves as his quote-unquote adapter in his hypothesis, where you can see tRNA will enter the ribosome during translation, and the tRNA's anticodon section will match up with the codons on the mRNA, and the appropriate amino acid will be added to the chain, and the tRNA will be disposed of. Again, I really want to hit on why Crick chose this name, because the mRNA and the amino acids cannot directly interact with each other. They need that adapter, they need that transfer RNA to be able to translate and add the appropriate amino acids to the amino acid chain according to the codons and the anticodons. Let's very quickly discuss what would happen if an alteration occurred in which tRNA could not serve as the adapter in the universal genetic code. If tRNA could not serve correctly as the adapter, then ribosomes would pump out the wrong amino acids because the codons could not be read correctly, or they could not transfer the codons correctly. If tRNA did not exist altogether, the correct amino acids could not be formed, or they could not be formed at all. That's all for this episode. Thanks for joining.